Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Sound check one, two. I decided to do a live stream today. It's going to be a little bit shaky. I apologize. I want to welcome you guys aboard. And I figured this morning I'm going to let you know, first and foremost, start this broadcast, that the market's closed today in celebration for President's Day. And all stocks are going to be closed. Futures are open at the moment. But if I just flip the camera and show you the screen, you can see it's pretty quiet. Here's the previous day close in the black, 77 even. Current overnight high is 82.50, or about 5.5 points above. Overnight lows 73 quarter. So we have less than a 10-point range. And if you look at volume, only about 93,000.7 contracts on the S&P. So very weak, very light volume. And so as a result, we've taken the day off. You could see there's no one here on the team. Marky's gone, Victorio's gone. They're going to come back tomorrow. It's a holiday in the U.S. Markets are closed. It's also actually a holiday in Canada. It's called Family Day, and so we have the day off. However, we still have our course today. It's the futures course, and it's starting at 8 p.m. Eastern. We have two webinars that we're going to be doing, and it's going to be a great amount of fun. Today, we're talking about the footprint and how to analyze order flow, and then delta and what that is, and how to apply this indicator for market sentiment to your charts. I don't trade with indicators, but this is one that's absolutely important, and it actually works on order flow, bid and ask volume. All right, so today we're closed for the day. Looking around, not much traction. Gold is sort of the strongest asset at the moment, currently 1330.3 above its open, holding a bit of a bid, but bonds, NASDAQ, everything is just absolutely sideways. Hello, Gregory, how are you doing? So I was wondering, do you guys want me to take you for a little tour around the office and show you where we're located, our new space, and what's to come? And then maybe I'll open up for some questions. Let's have some fun while we have the opportunity. I'm in the office a little bit early this morning, so I can do the YouTube update. And you want me to take you around quickly? Hello, George. George Mitchell, welcome aboard. I'll take you around. So here's my workstation. Let me just get up. You walk in through here. This is kind of our office door. Let's see, there's probably nobody working today. This is the hallway. Hello? And then you walk in, and as you can see, you kind of get into the office here. Here's our coat rack. A little Juliet. I've been told no smoking out of here. It's a snowy day out in Canada at the moment. You can see there's some on the ground accumulating, but it's nice. Here's our workstations. So this is going to be sort of the trading floor. We have Victorio right there, Mark in the corner. Justin, who's editing our videos, will be flipped over to this side where all the boxes are. I'm just waiting for a desk. And Azalea, our new hire, will be sitting there. I'll introduce you guys to her as she comes on board. And then you walk over here. Here's sort of our temporary kitchen stand. You can see it's a little bit of a mess. Today's goal is to clean this up as well. You can see a ton of books. I'm reading actually this one at the same time, Deepak Chopra. I'm also reading Andrew Grove's book, and I haven't started this one yet, but this is a reread. I've read this book 1,000 times. Some of the more stock trading ones, you have technical analysis here of stock trends, option volatility and pricing by Natenberg. This is a really, really good book. I've reviewed this on YouTube. Technical analysis explained, Martin Pring. He's a great man, Martin Pring. And then this book here I just got recently. This is a Ray Dalio piece. It's called Big Something Crises. I'm a very big believer of programming your unconscious mind, and I don't want to be exposed to those terms. So I call it Big Rises. I spun it in a little bit more of a positive way. I blocked it out. I'm sorry, cut out. And we do hire people. Yeah, we have so far 7 people on the team. We're growing, and we need to kind of give you guys a little bit more assistance, more help, build better content. And so as the team expands, we're adding roles that supports what we're trying to accomplish here with the company mission. So this is Ray Dalio's book, and it's a good read. It's kind of a case study. And then as we go in here, this is our team meeting room. Again, I have to clean up a little bit. I'll take you through a formal tour when we're all set up and running. This is where we have our team meetings every Friday. This board right here is responsible for a lot of the ideas that you see at TRADEPRO Academy. Like, we've come up with some incredible plans on this. This is from our old office, and when we're moving, our landlord was saying, hey, we're moving as well. Do you want this thing? I'm like, absolutely. This is a $1,500 Technion whiteboard I was able to negotiate at $180. So, yeah, here's a mid-century license plate from a from a train. So you take a corner here. This is where we're gonna have our lounge area. Couch is gonna be here. TV, PS4, and then we have our fridge here stocked with wholesome water to hydrate. Yeah, there's water in beer. And this is the war chest. This is actually really cool. This is an ammunition chest from World War II. And because it's an ammunition chest, I carry my ammunition in here. So there's going to be a couple rounds. Currently just one. I'm going to show you what's in here. This book I call my ammunition right now. Because, look, I don't know how much you guys are into this stuff, but it's called The Holographic Universe by Michael Talbot. Super phenomenal read. I remember getting through about 24 pages of this book and saying, I'm mind blown. I'm actually totally mind blown. And I wonder what they're going to teach us for the rest of it. So there's that. Here's another chest. We like chests. This is Crypto. You guys remember Crypto? We named him Crypto. Let's say hello. Say hi, Crypto. This is your family over here. They named you. Here's a chest. What's in here? We got some foam. We're going to soundproof the studio. Show you in a second. My shirt. Some camera equipment. Another plate from the train. And a basketball net that I tell the team not to shoot on because you pretty much have to hit the shot. If you miss it, it's going to cost a couple $100 to fix those window panels. Then as you go here, this is where we create a lot of our YouTube videos. In fact, all of them at this point. Here's our camera, our lighting equipment, nice 19-foot ceilings, and Trading in the Zone book review. Mark was doing this. So this video is already out, so we could probably just do a little bit of, I told you I'd commit to cleaning today. Here we go. As clean as that needs to be. All right, so we come back around and that's it. That's the office. I don't know what else I have to show you, really. This is where we're at. It's trading floor. I plan to go to the gym a little bit later on. And these are the TRADEPRO mugs. These are the first run of mugs we've ever done. And they've been around for years. I printed those in 2013. Do you have any questions, team? Comments, concerns, emotional breakdowns? Hope you enjoyed a little tour of the office. You know, it helps to get a sense of where we're at, what we're doing. And, you know, you're all part of our team and our big family. And so you need to know where we're at, where we're based and what's going on here. Awesome, Gregory. That's good. George, that's a really good idea. I like that. The little chest, the war ammo box. He said use that as a swear box. Oh, Darrow, I can't tell you about the gold bars. Come on, Darrow. Why are you trying to find out my secrets? There might be something stashed here and there. You know, if it was anywhere, it'd be up there somewhere in the ceiling panels or in here locked away. Oh, this is a pretty good book. I don't know if you've, if any of you heard this, but this is by Jeffrey Hirsch. It's called Stock Trader's Almanac. It's not so much a book as it is sort of a journal, and it shows you cool stuff. For February, for example, the Monday, you could see markets are closed, President's Day, and then there's a cool quote. Abraham Lincoln said, if I had 8 hours to chop that tree, I'd spend 6 sharpening my axe. I like that. Then you go through and see some of the stats on the right side. Right here, you can see the day, Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. Tomorrow, we're in for a bearish day, according to the almanac. And then there's some probabilities here for the rest of the days. And then it goes week by week. You flip through. All right? I mean, it's a relatively inexpensive book. It's nice to have around. I bought 3 for our team, and you'll notice that neither Victorio, all right, nor Mark. Look at Mark. Mark is the most organized person ever. This is where, anyways, this mouse pad is kind of historic. So you can see Marky is super clean. Victorio, not so much. Me, I just don't have any space to get really dirty and to make things messy. Where will your desk be? I don't know. We don't really have right there. Would you mind fitting in this box right here? Could you fit in here? Yeah, but anywho, that's our space. I hope you guys have enjoyed this update. This is our board right there in the corner. It shows all of our performance. Every day we mark how much money we make down, and we stay on track, and then we discuss it at the end of the day. All right, that's all we got. I hope you guys have a happy President's Day. Remember that the markets are closed today, so if you're out there looking for some profit, take it easy. I say one market that you do have potential and opportunity in for some day trading is probably oil, which is right up here. You can see it's made a little bit of a move through the overnight high, but in terms of anything else, it's going to be pretty slow. I'm actually looking at Joe Dispenza events right now on the other screen. And I'm looking at going to some of these events, seeing what was up and about right before the webinar started. You can see the last squawk was at 8:55 on Trade the News. This is where I use my news service. Baltic Dry Index out 0.6%. And slow day. All right, so you guys have yourself a phenomenal day. Enjoy your President's Day in the United States. I appreciate you all. Sending you and your family love, joy, and happiness. To our friends in Canada, enjoy. If you're in Ontario, it's Family Day technically, so enjoy your family. We're all celebrating something, so go ahead and celebrate. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. We pick up these morning market updates tomorrow at 9 a.m. Tonight, for some of our team members, see you at the Futures course retaping. These 2 lessons are game-changing. I can't wait to share this info with you. You won't see the market the same ever again. Be prepared. You're going to have a blue pill, red pill moment like the Matrix, and you're going to have a choice. All right? Thank you, Daryl. I appreciate it. Daryl says it's the best trading community. This is the best trading community because of each and every one of you. Honestly, without you guys, there is no us. And so we thank you for allowing us to support you and allowing us to be the place where you hang out. Thanks, Will. Take care, Daryl, Alan, Jagan, thank you. Everyone else here on the YouTube update as well. Thanks for being part and discussing with us and joining in the conversation. Have a great